Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we successfully downloaded XAMPP. And as I told you in the previous lesson, that in this lesson, we'll configure the Apache settings so Apache could start working properly. So basically, after going to the config file, we'll change the port number so Apache is connected to an open port. So we'll go to the config file and click where it says apache httpd.conf and it will open up the httpd.conf file. We'll scroll down and find where it says listen 80. We will change this to 8015 and again we'll scroll down and find where it says server name localhost. Here it is. It says server name localhost and the port is again 80. We'll change this to 805 and save this file. Make sure you save this, otherwise your Apache would not work properly. We'll close this and once again press config file and go to the second one where it says apache httpd-ssl.conf. We'll click this and it will open us the httpd-ssl.conf file. So we'll scroll down and find where it says listen 443 and change this to 44314 and again scroll down and find where it says virtual host. So here we have virtual host default 443. We'll change this to 44314 as we did above and save this file. Make sure to save this file as well, otherwise your Apache won't work. Close this, and now after configuring the settings, there's one more step left. You need to go to this config and press this config. It will open up the configuration of control panel. You'll have to go to service and port settings, change the main port to 8015 and the SSL port to 44314 as we did in the httpd.conf file and httpd-ssl.conf file. We'll click save. Once again we'll click save and now we'll start our Apache and it will start running properly. Similarly, we'll start MySQL and the status change detected is running. So now we'll minimize our control panel, go to our browser, whichever browser you're using, whether it is Firefox or Safari or any other. I'm using Chrome. I'll open up my new tab and write localhost and your port number, which was 8015, and press enter. Now it will open up your dashboard as Apache and SQL are working. If any one of them isn't working, this dashboard will not show up and it will give you an error. So basically we have completed this lesson, and keep practicing, stay tuned, and looking forward for you in the next lesson.